In this video, we will enable email and Google authentication for the Jhoom app. Now visit the Firebase project dashboard. In the sidebar, navigate to Build and click on Authentication. On the authentication page, click on Get Started to enable authentication for your project. After enabling authentication, you will be prompted to select a sign-in provider. Choose email/password. You will now see a button labeled Add New Provider. Click on it. Now select Google. A dialog will open prompting you to select a support email address. Choose your email and click Save. Now a prompt will appear that asks to add SHA-1 key in the Firebase project to enable Google authentication in the app. Click on Done. Now go back to the Jhoom Flutter project and navigate to Project Android, and left-click on Gradle named file and select Open in Integrated Terminal. Now write the command or copy it from the Jhoom documentation and paste it in the terminal, and then press Enter to run the command. Now you will see a SHA-1 key is successfully generated. Now we will need to copy it and go back to the Firebase project dashboard. Now in the sidebar, click on the Settings icon, then select Project Settings. Scroll down to find your Android app. At the bottom, click on the Add Fingerprint button. Paste the SHA-1 key you copied from the VS Code terminal and click Save. Now the Android SHA-1 key is successfully added for the app, so the Google authentication will start working for Android devices. Now we will make the Google authentication start working on the iOS devices also. Go to the Sign-in Providers tab and click on the Edit button for Google authentication. Scroll down and click on Web SDK Configuration. This will display your web client ID. Copy this ID and close the dialog. Now go to the Jhoom project and navigate to the iOS runner and open the info.plist file. Locate to line 31 of CF Bundle UR schemes where you will find the default web client ID. Replace this with the web client ID you copied. You have now successfully enabled both email/password and Google authentication for Android and iOS devices. Thanks for watching.